What's up, guys? Today we're going to change pace a little bit and we're going to go work on a TJ. Stay tuned. So here's the TJ. We gotta remove the top, and then start with the seal. So first we gotta get these screws undone that's holding the top on. The other one you have to get from the front. Those snazzy new seat covers. So this one was just tight. Now it's coming out. That works too, I guess. The seal just peels off, leaving a nice residue behind. I know. Yeah, I'll take it out. Alright, so just keep taking it off. So now comes the fun part of getting all the old adhesive off.
Without an adhesive tool.
Without an adhesive tool, that's right. Alright, the old seal's off and it's all cleaned up. The sides are cleaned up. And because of the way we have to do the hardtop, only half of it's cleaned up, but we're about to put the new seal on here. Alright, so we're putting the weather stripping on. We have to measure it and cut it. Got our assistant over there holding up the hardtop. You're just having to pull it along as you put it on? Yes? No? And he's cutting it at an angle to get it to turn. And once that's on, we gotta poke the holes for the bolts. Got that EF at work. So I included a tool to poke the hole, but it's not very, it's kind of dull, so it doesn't really poke a hole very well. Super fun job.
What are you doing?
We're fixing the weather stripping.
Wait a minute. What are you doing? Why are you back in there? Let me get to that.
All the holes are done. Not too pretty, except that one is. It looks good. Alright, so with everything done, it's time to put the weather seal back onto the top of the windshield. So what we'll do is start by putting this in, and then we'll stretch and seal with the adhesive strip. So what we're going to do is take off the red strip. The gasket went on good. Pull and press. Gasket's on the top of the hardtop. So now it's time to put the hardtop back on, and that's it. Okay, another professional install complete. It wasn't too hard. The getting the gasket material off of the piece across here was the hardest part, but once we got that off and cleaned up real good, Goo Gone helped a lot with that, and then getting it put back on and lined up. So looks good. Hopefully it doesn't leak and stops whistling when the wind's bad and he's on the highway. So awesome. So that's it. Thanks for watching. As always, please like, subscribe, and comment down below.